Hello everybody, welcome back. Now if you like to ride your bike every once in a while, you'll have to deal with a flat tire. And you'll think that just having one of these little patch kits from Walmart, they're about $2, it's gonna help you out. They're actually all not all that great. Had this flat, stuck that little sticker on there. Lasted a couple minutes, and you can see it bubbling out. You hear all the air escaping again. These little things, they're garbage. Completely worthless. Better option to patch your tires is using an actual patch kit that comes with the glue. The glue is the key ingredient. Now they all come with these little scrapers. You can pick up this kit on Amazon. They're like $10. There's various kits. Some of them include these little levers to help you take the tire off. But the concept is the same. What you do is you take this area, scruff it up one of the scrapers so that the glue has a better contact area, or you could use just a piece of sandpaper. This is just a 60 grit, little square, and all you're doing is scuffing up that area so that the glue sticks better. Now we just take our glue. You can see our hole over here. Put the glue on. You're gonna want to let that dry up a little bit. Take out one of our patches. Just gonna peel it apart. Get this plastic off of here. Then we take our patch. And you want to try to center it over that hole. Just push down, get pressure on it. And then you want to keep a good amount of consistent pressure on it for a few minutes. So you can put something heavy on it. You sandwich it between two pieces of wood. Stick it in a clamp. And just let that glue cure for a few minutes. And here we are a few minutes later, after giving that glue a good chance to cure. See our patch on here. And you see a much better and stronger hold. Even if I inflate the inner tube more. Anyway, hope this helps out. Thanks again. Take care.